How can you create LinkedIn account on your mobile? To do this, first of all, open your LinkedIn app. If you don't have LinkedIn app on your mobile, then download it from Play Store, then open it. And then you will get four options here. First one is join now. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, sign in. So tap on join now. And then here you have to type your first name and last name. And after that, tap on continue. Then type your email address or phone number here. Then tap on continue. Now you have to create a password for your LinkedIn account. Then tap on continue. And then it will ask you for a verification. Then tap on verify. Now you have to solve this puzzle. After solving this puzzle, you will be taken to this page. Now it will ask you to confirm your location. Now select your location from here, then tap on next. And then you will be taken to this page. And as you can see that your profile helps you discover people and opportunities. And under that you will get I'm a student. And if you are a student, then enable this toggle. And now type your student information here. Then tap on next. And then it will ask you to add a profile picture to your LinkedIn account. To add a profile picture, tap on add a photo and then tap on choose a photo from the gallery and now allow this permission and now select the photo you want, then tap on save, then tap on next, and now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Now access your email address, open your Gmail app, and then you will get a mail from LinkedIn. Tap on it, and now you have to copy this code and then open your LinkedIn app again and paste the code here. And after that you will get this page, and here you can see that are you looking for a job. So if you are looking for a job, then tap on yes, I'm actively looking for a new job, then tap on next. And after that you will get this page, and here you can see that it says what kind of job are you looking for. Now select the job titles and job locations, and you can also select open to remote work and then tap on next. And now here you'll get notified when new jobs are posted. Now enable this toggle and then tap on next again, and then here you will get let recruiters know you are open to new jobs. So enable this toggle, then tap on next, and now it will ask you to connect with some people. If you don't want to connect with some people right now, then tap on skip for now, and now you have to follow some companies or people you are interested in, then tap on next. Now it will ask you to allow push notifications. Tap on continue, then tap on allow, and now at the upper left corner you will get a profile picture icon. Tap on it, and then now tap on view profile, and as you can see that my LinkedIn account has been created. And that's how you can create your own LinkedIn profile. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if this video helps you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.